Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Custom brand is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after products in today's market, offering a unique blend of personalization and quality that caters to a wide array of consumer needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to elevate your personal style, find the perfect gift, or enhance your professional image, a custom branded item provides an unparalleled opportunity to make a statement and leave a lasting impression. This review will delve into what makes a custom brand stand out, exploring the intricate details of design, material, and craftsmanship that contribute to its overall value and appeal, ensuring you make an informed decision. Number 5. ExcelMark Custom Stamp, Medium. Introducing the ExcelMark Custom Stamp, designed to bring clarity and organization to your daily tasks. Personalize it with up to 4 lines of text for addresses, contact information, or custom phrases. Experience superior detail and readability with every stamp. You can choose from 11 vibrant ink colors and 17 stylish fonts to make your mark uniquely yours. This stamp is engineered for durability, featuring a double-sided ink pad for tens of thousands of clear impressions. It's designed to be the longest-lasting self-inking stamp available. Enjoy a clean and hassle-free stamping experience thanks to its self-contained ink pad design. It's perfect for repetitive use without any mess. The font size intelligently adjusts to your text length, ensuring optimal readability. For larger text, consider using fewer words or a larger stamp size. What we like. This self-inking stamp offers a generous imprint area for up to 4 lines of text. With a choice of 11 vibrant ink colors and a durable, double-sided ink pad, it's built for longevity and customization. If you need a reliable stamp for frequent use like return addresses or custom messages, and appreciate a wide range of color options, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent stamp that creates a clean name and address exactly as ordered. This return address stamp delivers crisp, clear lettering every single time. The stamp works perfectly. Name and address were perfect. Number 4. ExcelMark's Self-Inking DIY Custom Rubber Stamp Kit. Unleash your creativity with this DIY stamp kit. Easily personalize your own stamper for any need, whether it's for your business, home, or classroom. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 2 full sets of characters and tweezers, making customization a breeze. Experience the convenience of a self-inking design. It's perfect for quick and repetitive stamping tasks, saving you time and effort. Enjoy a larger impression area than many other options available. It can accommodate up to 5 lines of text, giving you more space for your message. This kit features a unique 2-sided ink pad. When one side is depleted, simply flip it over for a fresh, ink surface, effectively doubling your ink supply. What we like. This is a DIY kit that allows you to create your own personalized stamper with ease. It features a larger impression area than many competitors and includes extra character sets for more detailed customization. If you enjoy the hands-on approach to creating custom stamps for your business or home, and need a larger imprint space, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This is a nice DIY stamp kit with 2 sizes of alphabets, a small and a larger size. The stamping is clear, and as long as you don't do what I have seen a lot of first-time stamp users do, which is force it down, slam it down, or use enough pressure to crush bone, when all that needs to be done is a steady light pressure, you are stamping, not pressure embossing or engraving, which takes force. It works perfectly. I love that you can interchange the letters, so it is highly versatile. Number 3. ExcelMark Custom Logo Stamp. Create a truly unique stamp with your own logo. Upload your design to make a personalized mark for your business. Choose your perfect size, upload a black and white image, and decide on a handle or ink pad. You have complete control over its creation. Crafted from high-quality rubber, this stamp is designed for durability. It's made to withstand frequent use in your daily operations. Laser engraved with precision, it guarantees a clear and crisp imprint of your logo. Achieve a professional finish with every use. Perfect for customizing paperwork, envelopes, and packaging. Effortlessly showcase your brand identity on any material. What we like. This stamp allows you to upload your own unique business logo for a truly custom design. It's laser engraved for clear, crisp imprints, ensuring a professional finish every time. If you're looking to brand your paperwork, packaging, or envelopes with your company's logo and want a durable, high-quality solution, this is the ideal option. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that fits well with any decor. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium. Number 2. Custom branding iron for wood, leather, meat. Elevate your crafts, wedding decor, and gifts with a unique personalized logo or design. Create handcrafted designs that leave a lasting impression on various materials. Crafted from high-quality brass, this tool is built for durability and a long service life. Its robust construction ensures it can handle all your branding needs. Using it is straightforward. Simply attach the handle and stamp, heat it, and apply for a few seconds. Your personalized mark will be perfectly imprinted. This versatile tool is suitable for wood, leather, paper, plastic, and even meat. It's perfect for adding a custom touch to a wide range of items. An ideal choice for woodworking, leatherworking, bakeries, and craft hobbyists. It's the perfect way for artisans to add a unique, personalized touch to their creations. Choose from 7 different branding sizes, ranging from 1 inch to 4 inches, to perfectly match your project requirements. Find the ideal size for your specific needs. What we like. This custom branding iron is designed for a variety of materials, including wood, leather, and even meat. Made from durable brass and heated by flame, it's perfect for adding a personalized touch to crafts, gifts, or baked goods. If you're an artisan, woodworker, or baker looking to add a unique, branded mark to your creations, this tool offers a distinctive and lasting impression. What people say. Sturdy, good workmanship and performs as expected. Purchased 2 brands that match my current cattle brands, and now I'm branding everything from wooden kitchen utensils in the ranch kitchen, cowboy hats, neckerchief slides, and even our steaks. The seller did an outstanding job replicating my JPEG logo, and the iron works exactly as intended. The quality is impressive, allowing for crisp and clear branding every time. Number 1. ExcelMark 2445 Custom Date Stamp. Introducing the ExcelMark 2445 Date Stamp, designed for superior quality and longevity. With a 10-year date range, it's built to last. Make it uniquely yours. Choose from 6 preset phrases and 5 mount colors, or add your own custom text for truly personal use. Changing the date is a breeze. Our innovative scroll wheels let you adjust it easily without messy ink on your fingers. Get a perfectly legible impression every time. Its generous imprint area ensures your dates are always clear and easy to read. This stamp is perfect for a variety of tasks, from tracking shipping and receiving to marking expiration and due dates. It works great on paper, cardboard, and even plastic. What we like. This stamp combines date functionality with customizable text, offering up to 10 years of dates. You can choose from static phrases or enter your own custom text for unique applications. If you need a versatile stamp for tracking shipping, receiving, or expiration dates, and want the flexibility to add specific text like urgent or approved, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to use and love the mint color. Easy to change dates compared to other ones I have had. Dries quickly and clear, not smudging. This date stamper appears to be very well made, and does the job nicely. I got it to replace one I have had for over 10 years that the date, year, didn't go past 2025. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.